Here's an idea what you can use your old hard drives for. Get them to work. Well, the other night I was pulling some old hard drives apart for the magnets. Very strong magnets in those things. Anyway, I got those and I seen all these beautiful platters. I says, what can I do with these? There's got to be something I can do with these platters. They're beautiful. They're like mirrors, you know? And then I thought of it. I said, maybe a wind chime. So I went on YouTube, and there's like 1 million people making wind chimes out of these old platters. Because they happen to cling when I was taking everything apart, and they cling. You know, they tapped each other. I said, that's a nice sound. And I got the brainstorm to make a wind chime. It works pretty good too. This is the top one. The top one is I only had 3 that I could use. Well, I have 4 here. I have 4, but I had to make a base where they all have to hang from. And it's all parts. Every part here, except for the fishing line, of course, is from a hard drive. It's pretty self-explanatory how to make it. It's pretty easy. And it works pretty good. It looks good too. It looks nice. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to leave it right there permanently. I have another spot for it. This is right by the door. So I'd be banging into it every time I come in and out. But I put a hook up on the eave up there. You can see that. And that's where it's going to live. But I just wanted to see how it would, how it would sound, if it'll sound nice or annoying, and it sounds very pleasant. It's nice. It's a nice sound. Pretty good. Not bad. For nothing. I was going to throw the hard drives out. What I was going to do is I was going to destroy the platters and just throw everything out. Because they're just old IED drives and just totally useless. There was a couple of scuzzies I pulled apart. It was like 4 gigs. Imagine 4 gig hard drive. I mean, we're talking like 25 years ago. I mean, that was a lot of space back then. 4 gigs of, storage. Imagine that. So there's a lot of old information on those I drilled into them and everything. Yeah, nobody's gonna get anything off of them now. But it's all old stuff on there. It's all 98 stuff and XP, ME. I didn't even erase it. I just when it became obsolete, those drives, I just threw them in the closet. Someday they'll come in use for something. So a good paperweight or something, But I got some better use out of them. All right, maybe somebody needs an idea, what to do with their old hard drives. But the best part out of the old hard drives is definitely the magnets, by far. I mean, if you ever use for magnets, I always do for little odd things in the workshop, So they really come in, and they're strong, man. The little magnets, oh my goodness. They'll pinch you if you're putting them in your hands and letting them stick to each other. They pinch and they hurt you, they're so strong. When they're like, clinging together, and if you have them in your hands, oh man, they hurt. They're strong little suckers. All right. Thanks for watching.